Our experience testifies that the very Christ whom we enjoy each day is the life-giving Spirit. Do you not have the reality of the living one within you? This is very Christ whom we are enjoying, experiencing, and partaking of in our spirit. This is the life-giving Spirit, who is Christ Himself. Thus, God is embodied in Christ, and Christ is realized and experienced in us as the life-giving Spirit. This experience is used in the church. The more we experience Christ in this way, the more we long for the church. Makita rin nato ni ang akong kasinatian diya sa inadlaw natong kinabuhi kung unsa nato pagpahimulos, kung unsa nato nga unsa kadato atong pagpahimulos diya ni Kristo. Mga kung sinati nato ni atong partaking of in our spirit, kung saan ito paggamit sa itong espiritu, pagpahimulos sa Ginoo, nga ingon siya na